Ready? Start. Mr. P.N. Singh, learned senior counsel appearing for the UP Cane Union Federation, contended that the plea of notification of price was raised in the SLP and in the review petition before the Supreme Court and also in the proceeding before the High Court. Full stop. The petitioners cannot be allowed to re-agitate the issue. Full stop. Neither the 1953 Act nor the Order, 1954 provide that the government order under the aforesaid provision shall be issued by publication in the official gazette. Full stop. He relied upon the judgment reported in 1987, 1 SCC 1958, B.K. Srinivasan and others versus State of Karnataka and others, to establish that where parent institute prescribes the mode of publication or promulgation, that mode must be followed. Full stop. Where the parent institute is silent, the subordinate legislation prescribes manner of publication. Full stop. Such mode of publication will be sufficient. Full stop. If subordinate legislation does not prescribe any mode, it will take effect only when it is published customarily either by official gazette or by some other reasonable mode of publication. Full stop. This issue was again considered in AIR 2002 SC 2322. Chandra Prakash Tiwari and others versus Shakuntala Shukla and others. Full stop. There it was held unless it is mandatory, gazette publication may not be issued. Full stop. Paragraph change. According to us, question of notification or publication in the official gazette requires certain amount of clarification by this court. Full stop. It is well known that publication of notification requires for the purpose of giving information at large. Full stop. It is also true to say that a circulation made to the public becomes official document by virtue of such notification. Full stop. The parent law, as above, is pre-existing from 1953, where the supply and purchase order thereunder is pre-existing from 1954, full stop. Nowhere the question of notification arose save and except for numbers B and C under order, 1954, full stop. The extent of notification, if includes notified, the same is restricted in respect of minimum price. Full stop. The minimum price is not under challenge. Full stop. Therefore, the question of notification cannot be said to be mandatory for fixation of SAP. Moreover, question of SAP is outcome of a judgment reported in 2004 5 SCC 430 Supra. Full stop. Therefore, question of pre-existence of such notification to that extent does not arise at all. Full stop. It is true to say, as per the ratio of 1996 6 SCC 634 Supra, that in between an official gazette and publication in the press, the former will be given much more evidential value than the later. Full stop. But when the public, who would be made known, challenged the price fixation and the press release, etc., full stop, in the court, then themselves treated such documents are public documents, full stop. Hence, no further evidence is required to prove such document. Therefore, it is rightly pointed out by another division bench of this High Court in Civil Miscellaneous Writ Petition number 26291 of 2004 Supra White judgment dated 7 October 2004 that the state would be well advised to consider this provision while assuming SAP in future.